In this video, I'm walking you through my personal and honest experience at Intermountain Medical Center. From the moment I arrived, the first thing I noticed was the scale and cleanliness of the facility. It's a large, modern hospital in Murray, Utah, and it's part of the broader Intermountain Health system. The check-in process was relatively smooth. There were electronic kiosks and friendly staff helping patients register. Wait times in the emergency room were not short, unfortunately. I spent over an hour in the waiting area before being taken in for triage, which was longer than expected for a weekday visit. Once I was admitted, the nurse staff was professional and courteous. They communicated clearly, but there was definitely a sense of rush during busy hours. The physicians I interacted with were competent and willing to explain what was going on, but bedside manner varied. Some doctors were warm and attentive, while others felt hurried. Equipment looked up to date, and I appreciated the digital integration for patient records. However, follow-up communication after my visit was lacking. It took multiple phone calls to receive some lab results, which was frustrating. The hospital food was surprisingly decent. For a medical facility, I didn't expect much, but the meal selection had variety and some customization for dietary restrictions. Room comfort was average. The private rooms were clean and spacious, but shared rooms could be noisy and the temperature was inconsistent. Many useful links you can find in the description. One thing to note is the parking. While there's a decent-sized parking structure, it gets crowded fast during visiting hours. I had to circle around multiple times to find a spot, which added stress. Inside the building, wayfinding signs were helpful, but the sheer size of the hospital makes it easy to get turned around if you're not familiar with the layout. Security presence was visible and courteous, which added a sense of safety. Billing was another area where the experience dipped. The billing system is handled separately and can be confusing. My invoice had some unclear charges, and it required a call to get clarification. The representative I spoke with was helpful, but the process should have been more transparent from the start. There is an online portal for viewing records and paying bills, but navigation isn't intuitive, especially for older users. If you or a loved one are considering Intermountain Medical Center for care, it's a strong choice in terms of medical services and technology. Still, be prepared for inconsistencies in wait times, billing clarity, and follow-up. I recommend asking plenty of questions during your visit to ensure you fully understand procedures, timelines, and costs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews like this.